touch of brake here just to help it turn in up the hill. Keep it tight right to set up for the carousel. Lift or touch of brake on the way in. Get into that apex and let it come all the way out. To a dirt patch, I'll go by that. As I come over the crest, I'm in this car short shifting. Getting left side tires on the black sealer as I'm coming across the track. Full throttle through here, back to mid-track, and then straighten up and brake to the left corner of that sealer, and then turn in just before that sealer. Get turned in here, and then back full throttle. I'm going to do a short shift to get in here, through the compression, and then full throttle. And I stay full throttle through this. This turn's actually nice and easy at full throttle. I'm going to be lifting on the straightaway because the brakes won't hold up for me, running them hard. Long, slow turn into turn one. Pick up the throttle, turning up the hill and then releasing over the crest. When this goes flat right there, we brake, turn in nice and early. Use all the track out, back to mid-track, braking up the crest, up the hill, then releasing before you drop into the bowl. Staying tight left, very tight left, and then getting turned in for this apex here, full throttle, go all the way across the track. Stay left and then straighten after the first cone. Wait for the compression before you hit the brakes. That first turn's a fast one, then you go slower through here. You compromise that left-hander to maximize your speed through the two right-handers before and after. Lift to get in. Let it come out. Full throttle over here. I'm going to do my short shift there, and the lift when I shift is helping the car turn in for the second apex as well. Straighten up and brake to the left corner, release and turn in just before the sealer. Full throttle here. I'm going to short shift, get turned in, get through the compression and then full throttle. Firm brake at the initial application. Rolling in the steering as we release the brake. Pick up the throttle a bit, and then full throttle up the hill, open up just at the top. It flattens right here, and we brake right after it flattens. Release and get turned in nice and early. Use all the track out, back to mid-track, brake before the rise. Then release, I got a little wide, but I want to keep it nice and tight to the left here. There's going to be a sealer, we're going to turn in right before the sealer so that we get all the way into this apex. Come over that crest. Release the brake through the middle of the turn. Another brake and downshift right there. I'm delaying the downshift to the left-hander so I can focus on carrying speed to the right-hander after the jump. Does that make sense?